My name is Hazel. I use they them pronouns, and this is Con from Stupid Fucking Bird. She's killing me. She is literally driving me insane. Well, figuratively. No, literally. We were doing fine. Well, fine-ish. But then, along comes that swarthy, talentless, fuck-headed pirate, and then it's like all of a sudden I can't breathe, or I'm drowning or something. Nina is my life. My whole life. I've loved her since... Look, it's like I know what love is because of her. And now I'm screwed because love has attached itself to her. And while this might be the hokiest thing ever said by anyone, ever, she is love to me. Thank you.